started the session with leadership. There we'll find that what is leadership, its concept, and we have discussion about the strategic leadership. So before proceeding towards the relationship between leadership and management, in today's session, I would like to include few success story of Indian leaders, those formulated their own path, their own benchmark. While going on that path, they find they face many hurdles in their path, but their determination never make them uncomfortable, and with a high spirit and passion, they always go ahead. Before becoming successful, some of the world's biggest leaders experienced epic failure. While we always celebrate their success, but what's overlooked is path that got them there. A path that is often marked with failure. Drive and determination are what leads to success. And these inspirational success stories prove that if a leader wants to do anything, he can definitely do by his dedication and determination. So, in this, we are proceeding the lecture with our very first leader, that is Mahatma Gandhi. If I'll talk about Mahatma Gandhi, he is perhaps the most inspiring personality. Originally a barrister in India by profession, he was not a strong lawyer as he was unable to cross question his witnesses. After spending some time drafting litigation letters, he went to South Africa where he developed his political skills. It was not a cakewalk for him, even there, and his Satyagraha movement was fraught with difficulties even in India. Perhaps his biggest failure of all time was partition of India and Pakistan. So Gandhiji have just marked too many things, but the failure always just give the taste to leaders, and that happens with Gandhiji as well. Next is Amitabh Bachchan, a blockbuster performer at Bollywood box office. Amitabh Bachchan's career tanked along with his production house, that is Amitabh Bachchan Corporation Limited, ABCL. His meteoric rise and quick downfall is a true Bollywood tale with Bollywood. He was bankrupt but did not give up and continued to fight. It was at this crucial juncture when his career took a 360-degree turn with arrival of KBC series in India, and slowly he once again rose to the top. Big B truly proved that nothing, not even a single Desi hair oil advertisement, is Baidyanath But in any profession, respect is earned by your skills, and your attitude tells us a real life inspirational story. Mr. Bachchan shows that how a particular famous Bollywood actor also can work for a Desi brand and create a success in their own field. Our next leader is Dhirubhai Ambani, who doesn't know the name Reliance today. But you know that Dhirubhai Ambani, the founder of Reliance Industry, was perhaps controversy's favorite child. Ambani had a humble beginning, and he was not from an affluent background. He moved to Yemen at 16 years of age, where he worked as simple clerk. However, he knew he had to follow his calling and risking everything. He turns to India to set up his business with his close friend. Though Champaklal Damini differed from Ambani in his views and decided to split. Ambani didn't give up hope and continued his trade, deciding to even enter the stock market. His stock market dealing and success have often been questioned, but the man rose to power through sheer grit and determination. Dhirubhai Ambani is a role model for all the youngsters' real life inspirations. So, how he just faced too much difficulty to reaching up to the apex and formulating a venture that's called Reliance Industry. Next leader is Ratanji Tata or Ratan Tata. Now talking about Ratanji Tata, what do you do when you have a role model to look up and then you are asked to fill the role model shoes? When Ratan Tata became the chairman in 1991, he had a mammoth task set before him. His futuristic view and liberal attitude didn't go well with some of the top notch at Tata, which results in a tussle at the management level. At the very start of his career as a chairman, two companies under him faced bankruptcy, and his employee faith him dwindle as he brought down the retirement age from 70 to 65, leading to an ouster of some of the oldest employee of the organization. Despite the many failures he has seen, Tata Nano being the latest one, Ratan Tata didn't give up and continue with the global figure even today. So Ratan Tata have just given a wide range of example to us how a successful leader also face so many challenges and sometimes failed in their decision, but gradually it is a leader who always take a stand and come across with that particular problem. Our next leader is Narendra Modi, a humble chai vendor embroiled is one of the most bloodbath controversies in the country is the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Does success need any definition? When Modi took on the regions of Gujarat as the chief minister from Keshubhai Patel, his rise was met with opposition from many within the party. Modi lack of his experience was one of the major concerns. However, Modi stood his ground and became Gujarat's chief minister. As the CM, he supports to RSS ideology and also supports privatization and small government. But perhaps his true test came from the Godhra violence. While many still blame him for the riots, his name was declared and he went to become one of the most powerful men in the country. So leader also face such certain situation where they have to be calm and composed and take a right progress towards the right direction. Our next leader is Shiv Khera, a writer of motivational books. He perhaps needed his words the most when he was accused of aggression. Post the launch of one of his books, Freedom is Not Free, Shiv Khera was accused by a retired civil servant, Amrit Lal, of plagiarism, while Shiv Khera was dragged to court but didn't give up and continue his writing. He even defended his writing, saying he read a lot of books and research before writing. Some of that research stayed with him. A pretty lame excuse, but despite the court case, the out of court settlement, he bounced back and his book continued becoming the motivational bestseller. So, how he resolved the controversies and making the target how he can just be popularize himself in the field of motivational book writing, and today he is just making his deal on the right track. Our next leader is Smriti Irani. Not exactly a failure, but Smriti Irani's tale is definitely a rag to reaches with the WTF intercept in between. She got her dream back while waitressing at the McDonald's and becoming one of the best known face on a small screen playing the role of Tulsi in Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. However, after a fallout with the small screen Queen Ekta Kapoor, her career her career seems like it would be end. But Smriti Irani decided to enter into the world of the politics and is today the child minister. No education, with no education, mind you. How a lady who started her career from waitering to HRD minister of the country. That shows progress never make you differentiate on the basis of your education and any other things. If you are a leader, if you have courage, you can go ahead. Our next leader is Mansoor Ali Khan Patodi. A cricketer relies on not just his strong reflex, but one of the most important asset is his power to see. A cricketer since childhood, Mansoor Ali Khan Patodi permanently damaged one of his eyes in a road accident. This led to him seeing double the image, though he could no longer see clearly. Patodi didn't give up. He feared his cricket career was over but returned to the field to play with just one eye. He is today regarded as one of the greatest captain of India has ever had. So it is a courage, it is a belief, it is a confidence who shows that with one eyes a person can play cricket. Our next leader is Nawazuddin Siddiqui. Born to humble farmers in UP, Nawazuddin first worked as chemist in a petrochemical company. Wanting something more interest, he moved to Delhi to only be a watchman. He developed an interest in theatre in Delhi and moved to Mumbai to try his luck in movies. However, like every struggler, he didn't get any good job or any meaty role to kept appearing on small roles. He sorted to conducting acting work, jobs to earn some money. However, he got his break when he got noticed as a reporter in People Live, and there has been no looking back for him since then. Our next leader is Karshan Bhai Patel. Karshan Bhai Patel is born in 1945 in Gujarat, and he is an Indian industrialist who founded a brand that has remained one of the most famous one among the Indian middleman, Nirma Group. A well-known entrepreneur and philanthropist that he is, Karshan Bhai started Nirma as one-man operation and has brought to a stage where today Nirma has 18,000 plus employees and revenue worth more than 7,000 crore. Nirma is a group of company which is just having the headquarter in Ahmedabad. So all these leaders' stories inspire us. If we want to be a management graduates and we want to be a leader in that particular segment, then we have to be also those qualities we have to be developed in our personality so that we can also create some which benchmark for tomorrow so that we can create a better understanding about the business by just finding certain qualities from rest of the leaders those have just taken and just watched up and downs in their life, and we should also learn from there so that we can understand it in better terms. So these were the stories for today's lecture. We'll continue in the concept of management and leadership in the coming lectures as well. Thank you so much. Be safe, be at home. Thank you so much.